Can you see who viewed your Facebook story if not friends? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are answering a common question. Can you see who viewed your Facebook story if they are not your friends list? So now without further ado, let's find it out. So here, when you post a Facebook story, you can check who viewed it by tapping on a story and simply swiping up, and this shows a full list of viewers. And here, if your story is set to public, then people who are not your friends can view it too. But here is the important part, you will still see their names or profile picture in the viewer list even if they are not on your friend list. And if you don't want strangers or non friends to see your story, then you can change your story privacy. To do that, you simply have to go to the settings section, and now here you simply have to go to the privacy and make your content private. So, yes, if non friends views your public story, then you can see them in the viewer list. But if your story is restricted to friends only, then only your friends can view it and appear in the list. And that's the answer. You can see non friends who watch your story, but only if your story is public. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.